How to make longer reels on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is make sure that your app is updated to the latest version, and you can do this by going to your Play Store, typing Instagram at the search bar at the top, and if you see the update option where mine is saying open, click on update and it will update to the latest version. Once it's updated, open your Instagram, click on the plus sign at the bottom and select Reel at the bottom. Once you select Reel, you'll see at the left side it says 15. Click on that. So 15 indicates how long your reel will be. So right now it's on 50 seconds. You can change it to 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds by clicking on it. So you can see now it's set for 90 seconds. So this is a maximum length that you can create your Instagram reel. Before it used to be 60 seconds, but it has now updated to be 90 seconds. Now you can continue to record your reel as normal. So this is how to make longer reels on Instagram. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.